Ayaw mo sa video ko?
Gusto ko pero...
You're too shy.
Tay cooks! Peace!
I said it to them na.
What title? 2 hours lang, 2 hours lang.
Ooh, 2 billion hours na.
This is a lot.
Did you eat na?
No.
I'm gonna eat na. If I finish this game. But I think I'm gonna finish this later at night pa.
But look at this. Look at
Wait lang, ang parkouring. Nagpa-parkour. Well, sa TikTok pa tayo post. Oh, is it bad ba?
what is this for that?
What? I don't know. Ask them. I didn't have that fact. Oh wait, yeah. Shit, iPhone. Remember that I'm going crazy last, hapon? Because of this, the tightest. Yo. Oh, yun, nandito na ako. Ito, be quiet. Dito na ako sa pinaka-office.